Mine and Mike's.
Oh, there you see. I told you he's not the other one.
Use the bullhorn and scare him. Bullhorn. Dude brought ghost bird.
Where'd he go? He's behind the fridge.
Yeah. Yeah, he's behind the fridge.
You gotta do the bird call.
I'm not hitting him. Did he get in the file cabinet?
There's nothing. Here, hang on.
Dude, where did he go?
He's behind the fridge.
Under the fridge?
I know, but I know he's back there. Wait a minute.
We got another one where the bird got loose in the house and we were trying to shoot it with an airsoft pistol. No way.
Unless he got under here and died already. He's not here.
Mitch, you don't have death touch.
He's what?
So you don't have death touch.
Yeah, I do. Oh, I hear you.
That's when you put in the
Oh,
finger. He's under it.
no, he's not.
He's not there?
No.
At all?
No. Dude, this bird. Like,
The bird is a ninja.
it's like, seriously, gone.
Man, fuck the what?
Hang on, hang on.
He's not in the fridge.
I need just to make sure. Hey, where can he go? No, let me look under there real quick. Let me see something.
No, I mean, I put my hands in there. Still, no bird.
Well, I mean, he might have went like up. Is there any space up? Like when you go in?
No.
Dude, I know I see it.
See, I'm telling you, use the bullhorn.
The bird is gone. Like the refrigerator ate it. What is this? This is nonsense. Or did we run him over with like the pocket or something?
I hope so.
Hang on, let me through here real quick.
I'm sorry, I gotta close up the mission there. No, let me go through here real quick.
Yeah, I'm serious, dude. The bird's gone. Like, you can't put your hand under the fridge.
Where did he go?
And you can't get up in there. I looked under that one.
I wish I had a really cool voice like Morgan Freeman so I could like narrate this shit. And so,
The fridge like ate the bird.
Oh no. He just disappeared.
Behind the file cabinet and gone.
Wow.
I wonder if he went up in there. Did you see him fly anywhere?
No, he didn't. Because I was over here.
Ninja bird.
What is it?
telling you, scare him with the bullhorn.
I don't think they would appreciate screaming with the bullhorn. But the bird, it's gone.
It's gone. Are you serious?
Wait, is that it right there? Am I seeing something?
You've seen wires.
Mom's a wire.
No, he's right. The Nana's right. There's the bird.
Oh, here we go. There we go. Back up.
Underneath.
Oh.
The coffee pot.
Oh. He's probably getting the living shite burned out of him.
You motherfucker.
Oh, you
Yeah, he's gonna do it
motherfucker,
again.
yo.
He's not.
No. We got this shit.
You motherfucker.
Here, Reach. Here's the glass water.
Get him out of there.
Where'd he go?
He's back here.
It's not a ninja bird, it's just a bird.
He's a ninja bird.
Throw him in the trash can, really quick.
Now.
Don't drop him.
I want to. No, you gotta get a picture.
Come here. We caught a bird. Stop moving the damn thingy.
Stop. No. You're not going to crush him.
Shut up.
Let him go. No, let him go. Let him go.
Stop him.
Yeah. It's too much fun.
Now we have to do it somewhere that's a larger area to make it more fun.
Okay. Okay. We got it.
Wait. I have to do a house shot. I gotta be in front of you, watching the... Well, welcome.
No, shut him.
Well, they say when you love
Choke him as hard as
something.
you can. Throw him into the snow on that car.
Well, they say when you love someone, let them go.
Toss him in the snow. Go. No. Throw him down into the snow. Bury him in the fucking snow.
Snowball.
He's like, fuck this shit. It's cold.
Don't he'll get back in. Oh.
Wow.
He went away. Or is that the nest? No wonder he gets resilient. No, thank God we flew away.
Bum. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.